After flying a long distance, a thirsty crow wandered the forest searching for water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water. He tried to drink from it, but his beak wasn't long enough to reach the water inside. He then saw pebbles on the ground, and one by one, he put them in the pot until the water rose to the brim. The crow then hastily drank from it and quenched his thirst. Moral of the story: if there's a will, there's a way. Every problem has a solution if we look hard and don't give up.
Created the story video totally free, and yes, they are completely monetizable on YouTube and all other platforms. You can make and earn thousands of dollars to create this. We need a story, images of all the scenes, then motion videos of those images, story narration, voiceover, and some editing. Now, let's start the tutorial for story. You can ask ChatGPT to write a short kid story for you, but I don't prefer it. I prefer human written stories. Open any browser and search for short kids story, open any website, and search for a story for this tutorial. We'll use this Thirsty Crow story copy, the story with its moral. Then open ChatGPT and paste the story. Ask him to separate all the scene of the story, separate even the smallest scene. Now, all the scenes of the story are separated. Then ask him to give you the detail prompt of each scene for AI video generation. And don't forget this: you need to mention video generation so you can get best prompts. Here we have all the prompts for images. I am using Leonardo AI. First, go to the Google and search for Leonardo, then click on the first link and open the website. On the homepage, click on the image creation. After that, go back to the ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Once it is copied, come back and paste it in this box. Then select the image dimension to the 16:9. Then select 4 images after that. Click on generate, and it will start generating images. Do the same with the all prompts and create images. Once the images are created, put them in a folder. I have generated all the images for video generation. I am using Luma Dream Machine. Open the Luma website. Click on this small image button to upload the image. After the image is uploaded, go to ChatGPT and copy its prompt, then paste the prompt. Also make sure that the prompt should be of the uploaded image. It will give a clear instruction to AI and hit generate. Here the video is ready, and be honest, it's really amazing in this way. Generate other videos here. All the videos are ready for voiceover. Go to ChatGPT and copy the story narration for voiceover. I am using Clipchamp. Click on create new video, then on record and create, and then text to speech. Choose video's language, then choose a voice and hit save. The audio is added to the timeline after flying a long distance, or simply export the video. Now everything is ready. We just need to combine them for editing. I'm using CapCut, import all the video clips, then click on sort, choose time created, and then latest or earliest. Now all the videos are in sequence. Drag the video to timeline one by one, and in sequence after that, import the voiceover file, right? Click and extract audio, then adjust the video clips according to the video files. Now the video is almost ready. Add transitions between scenes if necessary. Now click on captions and hit generate. Go to templates and select a best one, reduce font size so it don't interrupt the visuals. Go to audio and search for kid. Story, add audio to the timeline, decrease its volume to -20 decibels. Our video is ready. Simply export it, and here's the result.
After flying a long distance, a thirsty crow wandered the forest searching for water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water. He tried to drink from it, but his beak wasn't long enough to reach the water inside. He then saw pebbles on the ground, and one by one, he put them in the pot until the water rose to the brim. The crow then hastily drank from it and quenched his thirst. Moral of the story: if there's a will, there's a way. Every problem has a solution if we look hard and don't give up.
So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars, or if you are a content creator, so you need to know these tools. So click left and watch the video completely, or if you want to earn money in 2025, so click right, and I will see you there. Bye.